Hello CHROMA Kids, welcome to our channel CHROMA Kids Creation. Today we are going to draw Kid Krrish. Do you know who is Kid Krrish? Kid Krrish is a young superhero who has amazing powers. He is very strong and can run super fast and can jump really high. Kid Krrish loves to help people and save the day. He wears a cool costume with a mask and he looks very brave. Kid Krrish goes on excited adventure to stop bad guys and protect his friend. He always kind and try to do the right thing. Watching Kid Krrish is a lot of fun and teach kids about bravery, kindness and helping others. Kid Krrish is a little hero that kids and toddlers can look up to and enjoy watching. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the more videos.